Guys, it's Crazy Coupons, and I'm out here shopping the Dollar General clearance event, and I came across this store that had a lot of items that are included in the clearance event that were unmarked. No tags, no clearance stickers. So we've got the OxyClean cleaner and the Tide Bowl. Well, I received a question yesterday asking me how to scan items in the app, so I'm going to show you all really quickly. As y'all can see, we're looking at the app. If you look in the top right hand corner, there's a little button in the search bar that looks like a barcode. Now you can click on that, or you can click on your shopping list. Again, right there in the search bar, there's a little button in the top right hand corner that looks like a barcode. Click on that, scan your item. As y'all can see, the Tide Bowl, unmarked clearance, 67 cents this weekend at Dollar General. Now also, while y'all are out, check your clearance section, and if your store has those gray totes, dig through them, scan some items, and look for penny items, because this IB Guard is just 1 penny, and we have a $3 coupon, so that gives me $2.99 in overage. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below for more deals.